Hello, dear viewers. Thankful to joining me in my lectures previously and to subscribe, like, and share my channel. I would like to upload my new lecture on topic of Grand Mosque at Sultanate of Oman, which was named as Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque. In this slide, I am going to introduce myself as usual. In my previous lectures also I've been introducing. At the same time, I request and at the same time, I am thankful to the viewers, and it's my sincere gratitude to them that they have subscribed, liked, and shared my channel. And at the same time, I will request again, once again, to please subscribe, like, and share my channel so that the engineers, the junior engineers, the junior architects can also get some technical and practical knowledge from me. This lecture is a general type of lecture, but in these slides I am just introducing the properties of Grand Sultan Qaboos Mosque. In next lecture, the slides will be related to the construction of the building of Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque. So I'm thankful to you to listen to me and to go through my slides, and thank you very much. This slide I would like to highlight about my achievements, that is educational contributions to the civil engineers and the architects, junior civil engineers and junior architects. In this slide, I would like to highlight that I have been delivering the lectures to the students of different universities at Sultan Qaboos at Muscat, Sultanate of Oman. One of them was university at Muscat, named as Sultan Qaboos University, and the other university name was named as Nisba University. In Sultan Qaboos University, I used to deliver the lectures to the students of College of Engineering, the final year. And at Nisba University, I have delivered the lecture in a seminar where all the professors of that university were attending that seminar, and the students of College of Engineering attended the lecture. So this is my achievement at Muscat Sultanate of Oman. In addition to that, I have been delivering the lectures to my previous ex office and employees, the Azal project management companies at Karachi, DHA Karachi Phase 4. Now, I would like to advise the engineers, the junior engineers and the architect to please, when you are working on any construction project, try to achieve the technical and practical knowledge of entire happenings from the start of the project to the end of the project in all sections of the work, related to the quality, related to the timeline, related to each and every aspect of the construction of a building, so that you can hand over the building to the client satisfactorily in time and as per the budget of the client, so that your company can prosper. Thank you very much, and I am once again requesting all the viewers to please subscribe, like, and share my channel to as many as engineers, the architects, the contractors, the project management company of different caste, different type. I mean, not only the civil engineering, but mechanical engineering, HVAC engineering, electrical engineering, plumbing engineering, and all that. I'm thankful to you. Thank you very much. Dear viewers, in this slide, I would like to highlight few points about the Grand Sultan Qaboos Mosque, situated at Muscat, Sultanate of Oman. Then His Majesty Sultan Qaboos issued a decree that a mosque should be constructed, which should be the the largest and the highest structured mosque in Sultanate of Oman. I would like to highlight that one of the minarets height is about 90 meters, and there are four more minarets which are presenting the value of Islamic values, which I will discuss in next slide in detail. The capacity of the mosque is about 20,000 worships, and in that about 6,500 worships in main hall and 750 women musalla, and remaining 8,000 in outer paved area, which you can see in this slide. This is about 20,000. Yes, 20,000 worships can be accommodated in that mosque. Dear viewers, I would like to highlight about the Grand Mosque of Sultan Qaboos, located at Muscat, Sultanate of Oman. In 1992, the ex-Sultan, or the late Sultan, the then Sultan Qaboos, ordered to construct a mosque which should be the highest structured mosque and the largest mosque in their country. So in 92, when he ordered, the construction started in 1994, and it took about 6 years to complete the project. And the mosque was being inaugurated by His Majesty Sultan Qaboos on 4th May 2001. The mosque is being gifted, being gifted by His Majesty to his nation on his third decade in power. So this is the story, or brief story of the construction started in 1994 and completed in 2001. Dear viewers, to construct this huge mosque, the competition started for the appointment of an architect, so that the architectural beauty should be included. The view of the mosque should be included. So an architect competition took place in 1993. Then the architect was selected to complete the best design for the mosque. The mosque took 6 years and 7 months to complete, and the main material used in this mosque was about 30,000 tons of mixed sandstone, pink sandstone, as I said wrongly, as well as local granite and white marble was being used. All this material was being used, and the mosque became beautiful for the nation of Sultanate of Oman. Your viewers, you can see in the slides a huge chandelier which is being made by 24-carat gold plated chandelier it is, and about 1,122 bulbs are being fixed in that chandelier. Another 24 chandeliers are there all around the main prayer hall. So this is the quality of the chandelier which I described in this slide. Dear viewers, you can see the beautiful carpet which is hand loomed, having 21 tons of weight, and it was being uh, made by about 600 Irani women in 5 years time it took. So it looks very nice and beautiful, which is laid in main masala, main prayer place, and this is the largest and largest carpet which is uh, in single piece in the world also. I think there is no other carpet in the world which is that much weight and area, about 74 meters by 74 meters. So this is the quality of this carpet you can see, and it was made by Irani women, 600 Irani women in 5 years, and it is laid there. The viewers, the viewers can see and go and see this place. This mosque is really beautiful and very it shows the Islamic values. Dear viewers, in this slide you can see only four beautiful elevations I have uploaded. There are so many other elevations and there are so many other details of this mosque which I cannot describe in this short presentation and lecture. So, Sultan Qaboos, the then Sultan Qaboos, who now, he is no more now, he he ruled for about 3 decades at Sultanate of Oman, and he was so I mean, nice person. I saw him personally because I saw him traveling from one place, Salala, to Muscat, and I saw him, and because my sponsor and him were friendly, so I met him also. His Majesty Sultan Qaboos was always thinking about prosperity of his nation. He he provided best education in the country. He provided best health facilities to his nation, and he provided all the facilities which his nation was needing. So I really miss him. I want to visit Sultanate of Oman once again, and I want to pray on his grave. May Allah bless His Majesty Sultan Qaboos and place him in Jannah in highest place. Thank you very much.